This meditation is designed to help you enter the quantum realm, also known as an Akashic space. Understand that it exists at the same time as your physical reality. It is surrounding you all the time. And with this meditation, you will connect with this space where your spirit team can come forward and give you any advice that will help you. The quantum realm is the place where you can get guidance before you do any kind of spell, before you look into any type of witchcraft. It is a place where you can align with yourself and your soul and what you would like to manifest through all of the rituals you're performing. Now remember that your spirit team does not manifest for you. They can only lead you in different ways to help you meet your highest goals that you have for yourself. But first, you have to establish a communication with them. And that is what this meditation is designed for. I can't predict what they're going to say to you. Neither can you. So we're going to go ahead and relax, move into this space, and then you're going to open yourself up to what they have to say. And also know this, your spirit team loves you unconditionally. If any message that comes through is not of love and light, then that is going to be something from your ego, and you're going to have to dismiss it and move back into a relaxed space where you can be with your loving team that sees you as complete and utter perfection. Now to start, you're going to need to find a place where you can relax. You can do this in a lot of different spaces. You can do this in your bed. If you are in your bed and you happen to fall asleep, that is okay. But you can lay in your bed in a comfortable position or on your back if it helps keep you more alert. You can also sit in the cross-legged lotus position like you're meditating if that helps. I have done this a lot in the bathtub. Due to my Pisces nature, water seems to really help facilitate my connection to the quantum field and what I label a lot as the Akashic space, because I do really love that word, Akashic, and I feel like it comes from a very deep space of research and understanding, and whatever word you want to label it is going to have to resonate with you, but that resonates with me. Now you're going to get to the place where you feel like you can start to relax. To begin, close your eyes. You're going to start focusing from the bottom up. We're going to focus on your legs and feet and release any tension that might be there. Feel on a cellular level, and your cells are also a part of the quantum space, and feel those cells releasing any tension and preparing to enter the quantum space. Now you're moving to your knees. Release any tension there. Feel your cells preparing themselves and relax. Move up to your thighs and relax your thighs. You can feel it preparing to kind of release. You might even start to feel a little disconnected, but it's just relaxation. The pelvis area, that is our first energy center. It is the color red. We're going to release and feel that energy opening. Anything that's cloudy clears out. We're relaxing that area. You're moving now up into your belly button area, and that is an orange colored space, and you're going to feel that clearing up. If there's any cloudiness, you're going to release that. You're going to feel the relaxation in your stomach and your lower back. That whole area is just slowly releasing. You're moving up to right below your rib cage. That is a yellow energy area, and you're going to kind of clear that out. Imagine it clearing out. Imagine everything relaxing. All your cells are communicating and ready to go into that Akashic space. And your heart, you're moving up to your heart, and your heart chakra is there now. That's the green chakra, and it's releasing, it's letting go of anything that's heavy that weighs it, and that energy is clearing out, and the color is clear, and your cells are relaxed, and you're feeling your chest cavity relax and your back relax. And we're moving up to our throat area, and we're feeling that light blue color. That light blue is clearing out, and you're feeling your shoulders relax and your neck relax and your throat is relaxing, and you're feeling all of these energy centers connecting and flowing. Now you're at your third eye chakra center. That is that indigo blue. It's the darker blue, and it's clearing, and you're feeling your mind relaxing. And again, the shoulders are relaxed. Don't forget the arms, by the way. We kind of moved past that, but remember to relax your arms, your hands. Let those cells be prepared for this transition into the quantum realm. And then you're gonna go up to the top of your head, and you're gonna feel that violet purple light clear up. The top of your head is relaxed, and now you're feeling flow, you're feeling good positive energy coming in, and you're breathing slowly. Now you're going to breathe in for 3, 2, 3, let out for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in through your nose for 4, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out for 8. Out your mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in your nose for 4, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out your mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now just let yourself kind of breathe in your normal way. With your eyes closed, you're going to look up with your eyes closed at your eyebrows. You're going to aim your eyes toward your eyebrows. Start to feel your eyelids flutter a little. Keep your eyes looking up. You are now accessing your subconscious. Keep breathing normally, but notice how your breath is slowing down and your body is fully relaxed. For as long as you can remember to keep your eyes looking at your eyebrows, looking up toward your eyebrows. If they fall, it's okay because we've already accessed our subconscious. And now you're going to picture yourself walking. You're walking a path. I can't tell you what that path looks like. All I know is that you can hear the path. What are the sounds around you? What noise do your feet make when you're walking? You're walking slowly on this path. While you're walking, explore around you. What is the quantum realm showing you on this path? Now you're nearing the end of this path. You see something in the distance. You're walking towards it. You see a figure. This figure is one of your guides. What is the quantum realm showing you about your guide? I can't tell you what your guide looks like, but I can tell you that your guide loves you unconditionally. Your guide is so happy to see you. Introduce yourself and let them introduce themselves. What name do they call themselves? Look around you, and you will see a place where you and your guide can sit. It's a beautiful place that the quantum realm wants you to see. Go have a seat and start the conversation with your guide. Ask them any question and wait patiently while they respond. You want to slow down, clear your mind, and let them speak to you through your mind. And I'm going to give you some time to have that beautiful conversation that your guide has been waiting to have with you. before you end the conversation, ask your spirit guide, how will they communicate to you when you're not meditating? Because you are always in the quantum realm. You are always in the physical, and you are always in the quantum. It's just a matter of opening yourself to their messages. Ask your guide how they can communicate to you and what you should look for to know the answers that you need in the moment. Sometimes your guide can't answer for you, but they can help nudge you to follow your highest choices and the choices that will serve you the best. Now you can continue this conversation if you like. This meditation is about to end. If you want to rewind and continue to listen to the music, do it now. Get yourself back to relaxation and reconnect. But if you're ready, let your spirit guide know how much you appreciate them and feel the love back from them. Tell them goodbye in whatever way feels most comfortable to you. I do like to hug my spirit guide. I love to feel that love flooding in that way. But you can also shake hands, just say goodbye, share some words, whatever your love language is. And slowly, you're going to turn and walk back down your path. Feel the beautiful space around you that your quantum realm has created for you, and walk back toward your body and start to feel your body again. Feel the energy and the shift in you and your physical body. And when you're ready, flutter your eyes open, wiggle your toes and feet, start moving on to your physical day. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation. If you would like more, subscribe. Have a wonderful, beautiful next part of whatever your day is, whether it's night or morning. Enjoy it fully and embody everything that your guide has taught you.